I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds to a picture on Photoshop. So we're going to open up our image here. Now what we want to do is we want to create the crisscross background, and to do that there's two ways of doing it. One, you can use the magic tool. If you click enter as soon as that happens, that you'll have the image spread out around the picture, which we don't want. So we're going to just click on the quick selection tool. So we need to remove the padlock from our layer so we can actually work on the background. Now there is two ways of doing this. You can use the quick selection tool, which you need to drag around the object, and once you've done that you click delete. Okay, and I'm going to show you another example. If you accidentally go over your image, it will also take away part of the image, so you need to make sure you do it precisely. Here is an example. So it takes away your object, which we don't want. So we're just going to get rid of that background, and you can also use the magic wand tool. Okay, and as you can see, it selected the whole image, and now we've got the whole of the background removed. Now we've got the background removed, we can actually just use the sole image in our object. So we do Control T, and that gives us the chance to resize and move the image around to our required destination. Or you can use the transform and scale for a really quick way of doing it, but Control T, in my opinion, is the quickest way of doing it. Now when you're saving your file, let's just get rid of that box there and apply. When you're saving a file, save it as a PNG file, because you can always use this image, in which I'm going to show you in a later video. You can use this image in Premiere Pro. Now the PNG file will have a clear background. Because we've removed the background, you won't see any background in your videos that you're going to be using in Premiere Pro. So make sure you save it as a PNG file and rename it for your required destination. And that's how you remove a background in Photoshop.